equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of checking the battery code on your MSI Modern 14 laptop. This is essential for understanding the health of your battery and determining if a replacement is necessary. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, gather the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. These will help you safely open your laptop and inspect the battery. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel. As you lift the panel, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside with your microfiber cloth. A clean interior can help with airflow and overall performance. Now, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. To check the battery code, you will need to disconnect it. Gently pull the connector away from the motherboard, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding components. With the battery disconnected, look for a label on the battery itself. This label will contain important information, including the battery code. Make a note of this code, as it will be useful for any future replacements or diagnostics. If you find that the battery is indeed faulty, or if you're unsure about handling the replacement yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in determining the best course of action for your laptop. Once you have noted the battery code, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. Ensure that the connector is securely in place before reassembling your laptop. Now, carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, aligning it with the clips. Once it's in place, reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening as this can strip the screws. Finally, power on your laptop and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about calls or travel. You can get a quote before any repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And that's it. You've successfully checked the battery code on your MSI Modern 14. This simple process can help you maintain your laptop's performance and longevity. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.